In this lesson, I want to show you long division using bus stop method. Now, in schools teach this method slightly two different ways, and I explain to you how the two different methods are, and whichever method you're used to, you can just continue with that method. I'll make quite an easy example. Say we have 675 divided by 5. Now, the first number goes inside the bus stop, and the second number here goes outside. So method 1, which makes me go down. How? We ask how many 5 goes into 6. Of course it goes 1. Once you put a number here, you multiply by the number outside, you write down and take away. I repeat. 5 goes into 6 once. 1 times 5, 5. Remove. So the answer is 1 so far. Remainder is 1. So we tried to see how many 5 went into 6. It went once with remainder 1. To continue, you need to bring the next digit down. Question is again, how many 5 goes into 17? 3 times. Because 3 5 is 15. Once you put a number here, you times, you write down 3 times 15 and take away. 2 left. To continue, you bring the next number down. Your number is now 25. 5 in 25 goes 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. And nothing left. So the answer would be 135. Now, most people do the same method, but most of it mentally done in the head, which, I don't know, some people find it easier. So you need to leave a bit of gap between the digits because you have to put your remainders next to the digits here. So 675 divided by 5. You ask, how many 5 goes into 6? 1. 1 times 5, 5. 1 left. So all this calculation done in your head. 1 times 5, 5. Take away from 6, 1 left. So that 1 comes here now. So you're talking about 17, like I did here. How many 5 goes into 17? 3 times. 3, 5, 15. 2 left. So remainder goes here, like I did here. And here, 5 into 25 goes 5 times. 5, 5, 25, and no remainder. So this is the long division going across. This is a long division coming vertically down. Okay, I'm going to give you another example, a bit longer. Say divide by 5 because it's easy. 4, 6, 8, 9, 5. Divided by 5. So, bus stop method. 4, 6, 8, 9, 5. Divided by 5. So, starting with 5 going to 4. It doesn't. So, you put 0. Once you put a number here, you times, you write down, and you take away. I repeat. Once you put a number here, you times, you write down, you take away. 0 times 5, 0. Remove is 4. Then I have to bring the next digit down, which is the 6. So my number is now 46. I ask myself, how many 5 goes into 46? 9. 9 times 5, again, once you write a number here, you times, you write down, and you take away. 1. Bring the next number down, which is 8. So my new number is 18. How many 5 goes into 18? 3 times. 3 times 5, 15. Take away 3. Bring the next number, next digit down. Now we have 39. How many 5 goes into 39? 7. 7, 5 is 35. Remove. Just 4 left. Bring the next digit down, which is the last digit. And ask myself, how many 5 goes into 45? 9. 9 times 5, 45. And nothing left. Okay, let's do the horizontal method. You need to have a bit more space between your digits for the carryovers or remainders, sorry, to go through. 4, 6, 8, 9, 5 divided by 5. Would 5 go into 4? Doesn't. So that 4 moves here. So your new number is 46. How many 5 goes into 46? 9 times. 9, 5 is 45. From 46, 1 left. How many 5 goes into 18? 3 times. 3, 5, 18, 3, 5, 15, 3 left. 5 into 39. 8, 5 would be 40, too big, so 7. 7 times 5, 35. From 39, 4 left. And 5 into 45 goes exactly 9 times. As you can see, it's the same answer we had here. Another example, I'm going to use a different digit rather than 5. So say 375 divided by 8. So the vertical method. How many 8 cannot fit into 3? None. So 0. 0 times 8, 0. Take away 3. To continue, bring the next digit down. Now my remainder and the next digit form 37. How many 8 goes into 37? 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. If you remove, we have 5 left. Bring the next digit down. So my new number is 55. How many 8 goes into 55? 7, 8 is 56. So it has to be 6 then. 6 times 8, 48. When we remove, 55 take away 48 is 7. Or we can borrow 1 from here, lend here to get 7. Now, if I want to continue, this is my remainder. If I want to continue, I need to bring more digits down. In this case, I'll put a point here, immediately a point in the answer, and introduce as many zeros as I want. Let's stick just with 1 0 now. 7 and the new digit creates 70. How many 8 goes into 70? 8 is 64. take away 70 take away 64 is 6. Again, create another 0 and bring it down. So that becomes 60. 8 into 60, that goes 7 times. 7, 8, 56. Take away, we have 4 left. Another 0. We can do as many zeros as we like, since we have a point in the question. My new number with the digit of 0 makes 40 now. 8 into 40 goes 5 times. 5 times 8, 40. Take away, and that's 0. Let's do another example. This time my example would have a decimal in the question. Say 42.82 divided by 5. This time I did vertically. With this one I'm going to do horizontally. So use the same method for both. 5 into 4 does not go. So the 4 moves here. 5 into 42 goes 8 times. 8 times 5, 40, 2 left. So the 2 must go here. But the moment you reach the point, you must put a point in your answer. 5 into 28 goes 5 times. 5, 5, 25. So 3 left. 5 into 32, 6 left. 6 times, 2 left. Since I don't have any digits, I can create zeros and use them. So 5 into 32 went 6 times, 2 left, so that 2 goes here, and 5 into 20 would be 4 times, and nothing left. I meant to also do this division using going horizontally, which I didn't. I'm going to do it now. So we want to divide 375 by 8. 8 into 3 doesn't go. So that 3 will go here, so your new number is 37. 8 into 37 goes 4 times. 4, 8 is 32. From 37, 32, 37, 5 left. So your new number is 55 now. 8 into 55, 7, 8 is 56, so it has to be 6. 6 times 8, 48. 48, 7 left. So you need to put a point here, point above it in the answer, create a 0 for that remainder of 7 to go here. 8 into 70, 8, 8 is 64. So 6 left. Put a 0, 6 next to it. 8 into 60 goes 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. 4 left. So put a 0 and 4 here. And 8 into 40 goes 5 times. 5, 8, 40, and nothing left. You could put these zeros to start with. Let me do this question again. This time 375 point. I put these zeros at the start, so you don't have to stop the flow of your work. So 8 in 3 doesn't go. The 3 goes here. 8 into 37, 4 times. 4 times 8, 32. 5 left. 8 into 55, 6 times. 6, 8, 48. 7 left. 7 goes here before the point that you already created. You reach the point in the answer. 8 into 70 goes 8 times 8, 8, 64. 6 left. 8 into 60, 7 times. 7, 8, 56, 4 left. And 8 into 40 goes 5 times. And nothing left. So I didn't really need that extra 0. Now dividing a number, say 4 divided by 5. One of the mistakes that students make, they always try to put a bigger number in before the smaller number. No, I'm dividing 4 by 5. The first number goes inside the bus stop and the second number outside. Of course, 5 will not go into 4, so I need to put a point and few zeros, whichever method you want to do. 5 into 4 doesn't go. Reach the point goes here, and 4 moves on here. 5 into 40, 8 times. 8 times by 40, no remainder. So these are not needed, and so your answer is 0.8. Let's divide a number by a 2-digit number. Say, for example, 576 divided by 12. But this is where I think the method of going down is much easier than going across. But again, it's up to you, whichever method you are used to. So the first number goes inside, the second number goes outside. Question, would 12 goes into 5? No, it doesn't. So 12 goes into 5 0 times. 0 times 12 is 0, remove, and that gives me 5. I bring the next digit down to form my new number, 57. How many 12 goes into 57? But 5 12 makes 60, it's too big, so it would be 4 12s. 4 12s is 48. I remove, give me 9. Bring the next number down, 96. How many 12 goes into 96? Exactly 8 times. Because 8 times 12 is 96. When I remove, nothing left. Now, let's do this same method going across. 5, leave gap between your digits, so you need them. Divide by 12. Would 12 go into 5? No. So 5 goes next to 7 to form 57. How many 12 goes into 57? 4 times. So in your head, you have to work out 4 times 12, which is 48, and remainder would be 9 to put it there. Here you don't see the working out, here you do. And 12 into 96, 8 times. 8 times 12, 96, and nothing left. So both answers the same. This is the method of going horizontally, and this is vertically. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you understood the method of long division, both going down and going across. I personally think going down is better, because eventually when you go to do A-level maths and you have to do algebraic long division, this is the method we use. This method cannot work for algebraically. So I hope you've enjoyed the lesson on different methods of long division. As always, I want to make maths as enjoyable as possible. I'll see you next lesson. Bye.